I am tired of touch screens. Really. I started using touch screens 2011 and I'm fatigued. I'm tired. I'm bored. I don't want notifications. I don't want to carry this around. Enough for me. I don't need this anymore. Really. But I cannot also give this. I mean, this is the reality of life. You cannot use dumb phones. That doesn't work. Come on. So what I'm wanting to do is I will leave this alone. I won't use it. I won't use it at home. But I still want to listen to music. So for that purpose, I want to utilize this one. However, this is JBL Flip 4. This is just a Bluetooth device. So what I want to do is, instead of carrying this around the house, I want to carry this around the house. So just listening to music, nothing else. Simple controls, that's it. But this is just Bluetooth and it won't do good at home. If you are moving around, the Bluetooth connection will start breaking. You know how it is. For this purpose, I will sell this one on eBay soon, and I have invested in this one. Not because it's fancy, because it has Wi-Fi connection instead of on top of Bluetooth. This is going to act like a home network speaker, not like a Bluetooth speaker. So this will be connected to the Wi-Fi network, so it's going to be working wherever there's Wi-Fi connection. I shouldn't have a connection problem with this one. So that's the plan, okay? This was 179, just dropped to 134. Good investment. So let's unbox it and let's start using it as my daily driver. I don't want touch screens around me anymore. I'm not. Well, here. Okay. It's like clothes. Yeah. A little bit funny, but this is it. I will make a quick sound test on this as well. Once I connect this one, I will compare the sound with this one using this.